So if you're obese and you're wanting to find an answer to your weight problems, Raw Till 4 is amazing, okay? Absolutely amazing. I have so many testimonials of those who have come from obesity to a normal, healthy weight on Raw Till 4 with no restriction, no calorie restriction at all. So today's video, I want to dive into that a little bit and look at these what I ate in a days as an obese individual on TikTok and help these individuals make the connection and just help them realize they don't have to starve themselves anymore. And also speaking badly about yourself, insulting yourself and saying you're a fat, ugly, blah, blah, and all that, that's going to really hold you back. So today, that's what we're going to do. We're going to try to help make the connection for these individuals and get them on a fruit-based diet. So we have this individual, Dump Truck Jordan. I think I've done a video on her before. I've done so many videos that they kind of get all mixed up. But I'm not sure if we actually looked at this video. And it's what I eat in a day as a fatty. All right, so she is just declaring that to the world that she's a fatty. Okay, that's like her identity. You know, she's like embracing it or whatever. And this is totally the wrong attitude to take if you are obese, and she is morbidly obese. So, you know, it's just going to keep you where you're at. Even if you're making a joke of it, you don't want to joke about it, right? Don't see yourself as that, as a fatty, okay? Because then it becomes your identity. Then you just eat in that way to create more of that. Just wanted to say that initially, but let's go. Let's see what she is eating.
What I eat in a day as a
Hang on. Do we have no volume?
fat bitch.
Oh, God.
What I eat in a day as a fat bitch.
Wow. Okay, so I think she's kind of poking fun, you know, at like trying to say, oh, this is what people call her or something. But I rarely see those kind of comments. Like a lot of people like, you know, are making out there's like heaps of horrible comments, but I rarely see that. Anyway, she's saying.
Okay, so I had an MRI this morning, couldn't fucking eat. That's weird. So then afterwards, my husband said, let's get McDonald's.
Wow, what a great husband. What a great husband. She had some procedure, MRI. It's probably related to her weight. And her hubby's like, hey, let's get McDonald's. Let's make it worse.
And of course, I was on board. So this is me enjoying the most delectable medium fry.
Oh, God. It just... Whenever I see burgers that look like this, I just think of those experiments where they keep the burger somewhere in like some science experiment and it looks exactly the same. Like literally years later, 10 years later, it looks the same because there's so much preservatives, so much artificial stuff that it's not even food. It's not near food. It's like something you can put on the shelf and it will look the same forever.
And I sadly did not get a McChicken today. I was feeling like a burger girl kind of day. So that is a McDouble.
Look, I really feel like I've got to turn this music off or it's going to copyright me. And then we can't hear a voice, which is really unfortunate. But actually, maybe she's just going to swear throughout it, so maybe it's not unfortunate. So she's eating that, and yeah. Obviously, it's obvious what is keeping her in a state that she's in. So she's probably having some like artificial sweetened soft drink. And what is this?
This was a couple hours later, and a bitch was hungry. So I made...
Oh, what? Okay, bitch was hungry, and she looks like she's... Look at this face. Like, she's so addicted. You know what I mean? She has so much addiction in her body, you know, because she has so many different substances that are affecting her senses. If you know what I'm saying? Like, she's just ingesting so much toxicity that it's like drugs for her, you know? She's having like a drug high. You can see it in her face.
She was hungry. So I made the same wrap I had yesterday with roast beef, pickle, and she had...
Oh gosh, yeah, see that? It had cheddar, roast beef, okay, wow. Yeah, right. Oh, wow. A strawberry. A single strawberry. This is the first bit of fruit. I wonder if she finished it. Is she saying it's good or... Yeah, looks like she's actually enjoying that. Oh, what is that? Flavor blasted. Oh, these should be illegal, these products. Yuck. That... What? Is it like a liquid or is it cookies or something? Ugh. Oh, well. Okay, and then she just fully went on some like diet, went to a diet meal, right? It's kind of like steamed fish, rice, and steamed broccoli. She definitely doesn't want to eat that, but she's probably doing the diet thing. Jenny Craig or something.
Some broccoli. I was like broccoli, and the food was delicious. I am absolutely a chef. I had me some goldfish, and if you don't get the extra flavor, blasted fuck. I had some strawberries because I was still hungry, and fuck, do you see how red and juicy and plump that bitch is? Oh, fuck.
Okay, so I'm going back to this spot because I noticed that the music was off. So let's go.
Okay, and then I was like, fuck, I'm still kind of hungry, like a little bit. So I had me some goldfish, and if you don't get the extra flavor, blasted
Goldfish.
fuck you. Great.
Oh, right.
Then for dinner, I had tilapia with dill sauce, some jazz.
Okay, so those goldfish things, yeah, they just did it. You need to realize this, okay? There is so much marketing. Like, the marketing is shaping people's behavior, okay? It's shaping what they say to others, like what product they support. All of these things that they don't even realize subconsciously they're doing because of marketing, because of a lot of the subliminal marketing as well. So just remember that when you make certain choices, you know, just think about what you've been watching, what you're being exposed to. These companies put millions, billions into their marketing. They want to get it familiar to you. So you make that choice. Just, you know, be very, very onto this.
Jasmine rice and broccoli. If you didn't know, bitch does like broccoli. And the food was delicious.
Glad bitch likes broccoli. Okay. See, she's calling herself bitch and fat and, you know, and it might be funny to people and it's not funny. It's not. It's very sad.
Yes, I am absolutely a chef. Love you guys. Goodbye.
So if you are obese and you have extra weight to carry, don't make it your identity, okay? Don't make it who you are. It's not who you are. Just get rid of that attitude, okay? Just focus on actually eating healthy. Don't focus on losing weight. Don't focus on anything really, except just eating healthier. If you focus on weight loss, you're just going to feel bad about yourself. You get off and on the scales. You'll be dictated by that number on the scales, and that's very unproductive. What you want to do is just change the source of your calories to fruit-based. And I show exactly how to do it in Raw Till 4 book, in Go Fruit Yourself, which is essentially the Frugivore diet, is a raw food diet. And also a great transitional book is My Naked Lunchbox. So these books you can find in the description below. The bundle for a great price. It's just all about focusing on just getting healthier and feeling happier. And then the weight is going to shift, like it has for many, many individuals who have formerly been obese and now slim and fit and healthy, and you can too. So check out this lifestyle. It works. Get started. Okay, so she can, yeah, she's joking, whatever, but you know, she can eat stuff like this. And in the comments, let's check out the comments. Remember the comments from that individual who's doing Raw Till 4, basically, and thriving and, you know, in great shape and everything like that. This literally isn't even that bad. This video comforts me. Hang on. Please make more. See, we have an enabler right here. Val Gal, she's an enabler. She doesn't care if people and animals are hurt. She just wants the entertainment value, and she wants to feel better. She wants to eat through someone else, live through someone else, you know, because she's probably on a diet. She's probably starving herself. So she's asking for more. Oh, bro, that strawberry looks so good. Oh, thankfully, thank goodness someone is focusing on the fruit. This one's I'm going to need to try that Mac sauce. Mac sauce is where it's at. Spicy Coke. Love these videos. Love these videos. Did we watch the same video? She's calling herself a fat bitch throughout it. She's showing absolute junk food. She said she had an MRI. She's stuffing her face with like food that lasts like 20 years. And this individual's like, hey, I love these videos. It gives me ideas on what to eat when I don't know what I want. Yikes. Yikes. Okay, yeah. So you can see the comparison with the comments. If you're eating half a watermelon, you're a freaking psychopath. You're crazy. You need to be abused and you're insane and you're a bad example. But yeah. Anyway, this is another individual who obviously needs help. And she made this public video. So I am going to comment on it because some people are like, oh, why are you commenting? It's like, hang on, she put out a public video. That's what she wants. 1.9 million likes too. Okay, so we got music here. So obviously she is in a really bad state. Okay, the human body is not meant to be holding all this extra tissue on it, you know, damaging your joints, making it very, very hard for you to get around. The weight on the organs, on your respiratory system, like this is just, let's just call it what it is. The body should not be like this. And it is very, very dangerous. And it is, yeah, anyway, let's go. See what she's eating. So Christmas countdown, the advent calendar. Yeah, so she's having chocolate and probably a lot more than just one piece. Toast with probably a lot of butter on it. For sure. She's British, okay, so it just shocks me that people can get to this size and continue. You know, I know it's like they've given up, basically. They've given up, and I really hope that they can come around to this way of eating. Like, it's not likely, but it is possible. Scrambled egg wraps. They look horrible, okay? Just no fresh, lots of death. And she's getting that drug hit there. See that? She's just like, oh, yes. Salad. That's, you know, it's been shown that some of these salads have as much fat in them as like a Big Mac. And this one looks pretty greasy and looks like it's got some animal's flesh in there as well. I would not call it a salad. I would not call that a salad. That is like some creamy ranch mayo or whatever with salad added. Cookie. Yep, she needs some carbs. She needs to fill up on fruit. What is that thing? Fruit? Since you all say I need it. Lol. Yes. Yes, you do. Is that fruit? Or is it a little piece of apple? Small celebration. And that was like a grape. A grape and a slice of apple. Girl, you're going to need to eat more of that. More fruit. That is for sure. Okay, so that's going to be my video for today. I do recognize this individual. I think we have done a video, but it wasn't on that one. I don't think. Anyway, just another reminder to look after yourself, all right? Just to look after yourself and to fruit yourself. That's my message. All right. Don't forget to go fruit yourself, and I'll talk to you soon.